break of dawn. I go on and on and on, on and on until the break of dawn. I go.
What you're doing here? Look at all the art. Art, yes. Let's see what you're doing. So he's making like a totem pole type thing. Wow. In action. Hey there, Kaleidoscope Klan. How's everyone doing? This is Mariposa, and today I'm going to take you to one of my favorite Native Artisan stores in Pelourinho, SAL de TERRA, or Salt of the Earth in English. Let's go. Look how beautiful Joie is. I love that. So this is Joie, and he's going to tell me about the balangada. Balangada. Okay, hold on.
This number one talisman, the women slave.
Okay.
The chef give a slave one piece this, one more big, no fruit. After 1 year of good service, I give you one piece. Each one represents one god, one protector. This represents the black sheep, the by slave in Africa, Brazil.
I'm the black sheep.
Yes, the flower, the fauna and flora. Both represent peace, union, Brazil, Africa. Africa complete, I give you freedom to slave. The hand, the name figure, for protect the evil lie and good luck.
Yes, okay.
Today, only people they have in the side of your house or in the table. When the table where they come and protect evil lie. Balanganda, they chame the name because the song.
The music.
Balanganda, balanganda. Onomatopoeia. Balanganda.
Balanganda.
This represents the
connection between Brazil and Africa.
Yes. Today, only your people they have this size to protect your house and the family. Oh, welcome. Balanganda.
Wow, very nice, very nice.
It's very typical only Salvador, Bahia.
And so every year you get a fruit by a different Orisha.
Orisha.
And is it always the same order, or how do you how do you know which Orisha or which fruit?
No, one fruit different. It's one different Orisha.
Yes. So do you start with like Alegba? Is Alegba the first one? Eshu Alegba?
No, I don't understand.
Eshu Alegba. Okay. Oshun.
Oshun.
Ogun. Yeah. Yemaya. Oshosi. Nana Baruko.
Nana Baruko. Yes.
All of them are there.
Yes.
But not Alegba. I don't know if it's the same in Portuguese. Eshu Alegba.
Eshu.
Eshu. Is Eshu?
Eshu.
Okay. So the fist, is that Ogun?
The hand for the name figure for represent strong.
Oh, okay. So that's why you have so many over there.
Strong and protect evil life and good luck.
Okay. So it's kind of like Black Power in America.
Yes.
Similar. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Very, very important. So yes, Joie is the best, and he shared so much information with me. He was a wealth of cultural information. Here he was showing me the significance of all of the different figures, all of the different deities, the Orisha and Candomblé. So I really appreciate him, and I believe it's very important that when you come to a locality that you support the native people. A lot of the fancier stores were owned by foreigners, and so I made it a point to come back and to patronize Joie and SAL de TERRA. He had a high quality product, and they even made the products in the back of the store. So I was very impressed. Okay, so that was an experience. I had no plans on buying anything. That's why it's difficult going into these stores, because it's like it's hard not to buy something, right? So anyway, I broke down. I bought some zapatos de rena. I had to. They're too cute. I'll show you in a second because I have to get down to where the party is. Okay, so these are not native shoes, but hey, they are being sold by a native and no guilt. They are so cute. Okay, let's see. Yay! I am at Sol de Terra, and they have this beautiful food. Mi amigo. Yes, and look at the food.
Excuse me, please.
Thank you. What do you call this? It's
Escondidinho.
Didinho.
Escondidinho.
Didinho.
Escondidinho.
Condinho.
Tipo de Bahia.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm going to try it. So it's very good. Bahia. All the food is good in Bahia. Anything creative is good. So normally I don't really eat meat, but when in Bahia, Duas de Solteiros food. That's just kind of how life is. You know, when you come to a place, you don't turn your nose on stuff when people welcome you in. And look how beautiful this space is. This is the back of Sol de Terra. So they have pieces that you can actually buy, and they're just giving me food. I'm not paying them for it. Yeah! So nice. The hospitality at the Solteiro. So nice. So if you're ever in Pelourinho, be sure to visit my friend. This is my friend again. Joie. The one I bought the shoes from. Come to Sol de Terra. Sol de Terra. Correction. Sol de Terra. They offered me one. I took some. But look at the artwork. The wood. This is all, and he is the one who does it. So let's see. Amazing woodworking. I actually lived in Ghana for 10 years, and I don't see any difference between the woodwork at all. Like a totem pole type thing. Wow. In action.
Nice. Oh, nice. Nice. Very nice. Nice.
So this is the employees area, but really it feels like family. It feels like a family home. I really love it. And the first moment I arrived, they received me as part of this family. And look at these. Wow. Staff, elders. Really nice. Shells. So yeah. All made by hand, and then it's at the back of the store. I really love the atmosphere and the lifestyle that they created for themselves here. And as an artist, it's very inspiring. So these beautiful pieces here, now I see how they put the texture on. Very smart. And I'm gonna use it. Yes.
Until the break of dawn, I go.
Thanks so much, Kaleidoscope Klan, for coming with me to Sal de Terra in Pelourinho. Until next time, continue to embody the sacred transformation. This is Mariposa Ma'at signing out. Peace.